Child-friendly na to. Let's go! Sorry, kami lang to. 2, 3, go! Uber po ba? Uber?
Uber po? Uber po? Ano pong pangalan?
Pepe mo. Ano kinain mo?
Mabel. Ang tamis na.
Mga Mima! Say hi to the vlog! Charot! Vlog pa lang ni Krisa to. Asan na yung vlogger? Nalog na po siya! Vlog takeover! Welcome to... Anong way? Dapat gusto na
No. Hi guys, nag-stop over kami dahil sa
All I see
kanya.
is change. Trying to keep it steady in a start slip.
Dalawin nyo!
Springfield raised
Anong
like a Bart
tripod?
Simpson. Always on the run, been a long sentence. Tried marathon, but worth a long distance. Gotta keep it focused, man. Had to write this before I fall and I start tripping. I just went into a portal to the fourth dimension. Came back, try to show them, but they won't listen. Can't teach them how to fish, they gotta go swimming. Try to lead by example, so I go with it. Too close, zoom out, see the whole picture. Face the heat and the drought and some cold winters. Learn to hail from the
yung Koreana po natin pagod na pagod. Ano pa? Perfect ka dyan!
Ulitin mo. Iba na yun.
Naramdaman ko, shit, bakit basa? Si Krisa kasi hindi nagkikita dyan eh.
Wala, alam mo, natatakot ako. Feeling ko may pasana.
Okay na, Mi. Malapit na talaga, Mi.
Every Monday, Tuesday.
Okay lang sa akin, Mi.
Alam mo, masarap yun ng may honey, cheese, tsaka chili flakes. Sana pala 5 ganito na lang.
Kunin mo na lang. Magamis yung side please.
Sarap mo. Sarap. Magiging alagad ka na ng sourdough. Sarap ng sourdough. Perfect.
Pasta kasi ito pang
Sorry.
Tita lang sa'yo? Wala pa?
Mukhang tita mo.
Dora.
Kaya lang ba yan? Kung ano ko? Kids meal pala itong mga ito eh. Kiddie size.
Kiddie size.
Diyos ko, ang pepet. Magic. Hey!
Your hair looks longer than last June. There's so much I've been down to know about you. But we've been distant. Is it too soon to call pretending it's to ask you what's new? And I hope we haven't lost our way, 'cause it feels that way to me. But I know that when I see you, oh, I never wanna leave. So don't be so mad, I know that it's easier said than done. And it feels like it's hopeless. I'm begging you, please hold on. Maybe reason tossing and turning is 'cause I'm scared one day you won't reply. So fight, said or did something that hurt you. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. You know I never meant to. We haven't lost our way, 'cause it feels that way to me. But I know that when I see you, oh, I never wanna leave. So don't be so mad, I know that it's easier said than done. And it feels like it's hopeless. I'm begging you, please hold on. Maybe reason tossing and turning is 'cause I'm scared one day you won't reply. I'll keep on trying to let you know. Maybe I should just go try, 'cause I don't wanna have to let you go. So don't be so mad. I know that it's easier said than done. And it feels like it's hopeless. Begging you, please hold on. Maybe reason tossing and turning is 'cause I'm scared one day you won't reply.
Pack up na? Pack up! Pack up na! Yeah! Ayoko na nga. See you next week.
Next week!
Next vlog pala. Proper 3.
Hala, nagpita si ate, kitang-kita.
Kasi sabi niya po, kailangan mag-video kami ng landscape. Ito po. Red, red.
Sure, hindi naman super lala. Pero ngayon kasi, alam mo yung...
Sinulit.
Oh, at saka maganda rin kasi yung lugar, kaya matagal yung picture.
At saka sinulit nila.
Oo.
Kasi given ba ilang oras sa dream niya, alam mong ginastusan talaga. Hindi lang siya yung parang, ito gala lang tayo dito, gano'n. Gano'n naman talaga sila. Pag gala lang, picture lang, tapos after niya, okay. Especially si Chris sabi ng vlog kasi yung picture. Tara. Hindi pa kayo ba? Isa! Oh, lamig. Ayun, salamin to.
Country road, take me home. Ang lamig talaga ng boses, no?
Ang lamig, nanginginig eh.
To the place I belong, West Australia. Come to mama, take me home, country road. Anong pinakamagandang music? Yun nga.
Dinner na kami. At computation, happy-happy kayo ah.
Yung malit ko ha, hindi happy ha.
Ang mahal niyong kasama.
Ano yan? Buhay na buhay naman to.
Pumunta ko na. May pharmacy, doon na lang.
Hindi kita bibidyo, pipicturan. Ay.
Ayaw.
Hala. Kiniskus na ano to, mag-apoy na yan.
Ang ina, tinapon yung... Ay, akala ko basura mo.
Gago talaga to. Bye, sis! Ay, isasend ko na lang sa'yo to. Landscape kasi. Bye!
Sis,
I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying I'm sorry. I guess you never really know what somebody's gonna do when they get lonely.